Do you really need travel insurance for your next trip? Well, here's the deal. Stuff happens, and being prepared can save you a lot of hassle. Travel insurance can be a lifesaver, but did you know that your credit card might already have you covered? While it might not offer as much protection as a standalone policy, it could be enough for some trips. Let's explore what you should know before relying on your credit card for travel insurance. Imagine you're exploring, eager to try exotic foods and snag unique souvenirs while traveling. As you approach a vendor selling handcrafted goods, you reach for your trusty credit card, ready to make a purchase. But wait, what's this? The vendor shakes their head, indicating they only accept cash. We've all been there. Moments like these remind us of the importance of carrying both plastic and paper when traveling abroad. Using your credit card overseas can also earn you points, just like back home. So, whether you're dining at a Michelin-starred restaurant or grabbing street food from a local vendor, those points can add up to some serious perks. But beware, using your credit card abroad can come with fees. These charges, often a small percentage of your purchase, can quickly add up. Traveling internationally with your credit card can be a breeze if you plan. Before you leave, it's a good idea to inform your credit card issuer of your travel plans. While credit cards are convenient, it's always wise to carry some cash as well. In the unlikely event that you lose your credit cards, having an emergency stash of cash can be a lifesaver. You can either bring US dollars to convert at a currency exchange or use your debit card to withdraw local currency. However, keep in mind that both options may incur fees, so it's best to check with your bank or card issuer beforehand. Consider applying for a credit card that offers no foreign transaction fees. Basic credit cards and debit cards often charge a foreign transaction fee of 1 to 3%, which can add up quickly. Premium travel cards, on the other hand, usually waive foreign transaction fees altogether. If you plan to make a high volume of purchases while abroad, upgrading to a card with no foreign transaction fees could save you a significant amount of money in the long run. Remember to earn points while using your card abroad. Many credit cards offer bonus rewards for certain categories of spending, such as dining or travel. These bonus categories often apply to purchases made internationally as well, so you can continue to earn points even while exploring new destinations. Lastly, familiarize yourself with credit cards' travel perks. Many premium credit cards offer additional benefits such as free travel insurance, access to airport lounges, and hotel upgrades. Knowing what your card offers can not only enhance your travel experience, but also potentially save you money on additional travel expenses. Travel insurance is a smart consideration, and your credit card might offer some protection. Let's explore two popular cards and their offerings. The Chase Sapphire Reserve stands out for its comprehensive travel insurance coverage. Not only does it offer a wide range of benefits, but the coverage amounts are also higher compared to other cards. One notable feature is its emergency medical and dental insurance coverage, as long as part of your trip is charged to the card. However, it's important to note that this benefit is secondary coverage, limited to $2,500 with a $50 deductible, which may not be sufficient for most international trips. Moreover, the card offers rewards like earning 5 points per dollar on flights and 10 points per dollar on hotels, and car rentals when purchasing travel through Chase Travel immediately after the first $300 is spent on travel purchases annually. The card has a welcome offer of earning 60,000 bonus points after spending $4,000 on purchases in the first 3 months from account opening, but it comes with an annual fee of $550. On the other hand, the Chase Sapphire Preferred card offers excellent travel insurance coverage for a card with an annual fee under $100. Its coverage limits are good, and it provides the most useful travel insurance, including trip cancellation, insurance up to $10,000 per person, and $20,000 per trip. Trip delay reimbursement up to $500 per person, baggage delay reimbursement up to $100 per day for a maximum of 5 days, and travel accident insurance up to $500,000. Sounds good, doesn't it? That's the end of this video. Travel safe and make wise choices with your credit card options. Like and subscribe for more. Until next time.